Dr. Radhakrishnan was an excellent student, top licensed Dan Vogelbach Vogel bombs shirt since his childhood. Although he went to the Christian missionary institution, Lutheran Mission School, he completed his graduation. Top licensed Dan Vogelbach Vogel bombs shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie, tank top, V-neck, hoodie, sweatshirt. The judgment took by the present Prime Minister P.T. Jawaharlal Nehru made the top licensed Dan Vogelbach Vogel bombs shirt citizens surprised, as it was that any Congress party leader would be nominated for the same. Other products.